many implementations of CRM fail. And by fail, I mean that they're just not realizing their true value. Often they're thought of as just a tool, a data collection area whereby we put data in and we get reports out. Our belief is that it can be much, much more than that. It can be more of a strategic planning tool. It can be more of a data modeling tool. It can be more of a traction tool, for lack of a better term, to help clients and companies get more closer to their 12-month goals, their 3-year goals, their 5-year goals. I mean, most companies now are looking out, 5 years from now. And if you're basically saying that, you're looking to take on, 10% more market share in the next 5 years, how are you going to do that? How are you going to do that as far as actually getting the market share? But how is your support system in terms of infrastructure going to be in terms of customer satisfaction levels, ability to support these clients, ability to maintain the production that goes on? So all of these type of things need to be looked at and focused on. And the only way you're going to get to the 3 to 5 year is by rolling backwards and starting now and saying, okay, if 5 years from now we're saying we need 10% market share increase, what systems, what workflows, what do we have to have our sales guys do today to start gaining ground to reach that 5-year goal? And that's the beauty of CRM, is that everything can be put into place. You can develop these strategies, you can develop these methodologies, you can action plan and train out on these things and help these sales guys say, instead of actually telling them, hey, here's a tool, go out and be successful, you can provide them with a story of what do you have to do today, what do you have to do this week, what do you have to do this month, and here's how you accomplish that within the system that we've built. And so that's really what we're focused on, is more of the mentoring training piece in addition to the CRM. It's not so much that we're providing you with a tool, it's not so much that we're programming it with workflow, it's not so much that we're pulling reports out of it. It's once we have all this information, once we have all this value, how do we then communicate it best to the sales force, to the customer service team, to the marketing department, and say, okay, look guys, based upon what these data models say and this information is doing, here's what you need to do today. Here's what you need to do this week, and here's what you need to do this month. And give them a successful action plan, as opposed to just saying, hey, here's a piece of software, get in there and start calling on clients. So Traction CRM is about, literally mentoring and training companies through that process to help them get more through their CRM implementations, as opposed to it just being a tool.